Hello everyone, welcome to ValueSTek. No matter where your meeting and the lesson takes you, ValueSTek Z series, ValueHub, ValueHub Pro, and ValueHub Pro Plus offers the best solution for any space. Z series interactive display can be switched to the Windows system for access tools, apps, and customization. We can from the floating tools, the OBS icon, and the sidebar, the single source, the OBS icon, switch to the Windows very fast. If you want to access the apps like the ValueHub Z, it's a professional education software from ValueSTek with the rich teaching tools for different subjects like math, chemistry, piano, and more. Then, how to from the Windows back to the Android system? We can from the floating tools or the sidebar, the homepage icon. This series interactive display has been installed some usual apps like the eShare WPS. If you want to install more apps, you can from the more icon and from the Play Store to do. This series interactive display is designed to create personalized meeting and learning environment. We can from the setting icon to do more at the language and custom the setting and the wallpaper. Besides from the setting to control adjust the screen, we can from the sidebar to do more. Like the volume, brightness, and open some apps. Also, we support the all-channel annotation. We can do the annotate whatever you under the Windows or the Android system, and through the QR code to sharing. If you want to know more details, contact us please. Thanks for your watching.